Watch as we transform tiny materials into a work of art. We begin by constructing the foundation, carefully laying miniature red bricks in a square pattern. Sand is poured into the center and compacted to create a stable base, followed by a smooth layer of cement for the ground floor. Now we start building the walls. Using a tiny trowel, we apply mortar between each brick, working our way up, course by course. Precision is everything in miniature construction. Wooden frames are strategically placed to mark where our doors and windows will go. As the first floor walls rise, we continue laying bricks with meticulous care, ensuring each layer is perfectly aligned. The wooden frames become more defined, creating openings for future windows and the main entrance. Excess mortar is carefully brushed away to keep everything clean. Once the first floor reaches the desired height, we install a yellow base panel for the second story. A wire mesh grid is laid on top, simulating reinforced concrete. This will provide strength and stability to our upper floor. Wet cement is poured over the mesh and carefully spread across the entire surface. Using a small tool, we smooth it out to create a realistic concrete slab. Temporary wooden supports are placed underneath to hold the structure while it cures. Now we build the second story, continuing with the same bricklaying technique. The walls rise higher, and we form a triangular gable at the top. Leaving a circular opening for an attic window, more wooden frames are set in place for the upper windows and balcony door. With all the brickwork complete, we apply a thick coat of white plaster over the entire exterior. This stucco finish covers the bricks completely, creating smooth walls. We carefully clean out the window and door openings while the plaster is still workable. Once the plaster dries, it's time for color. We mix a beautiful light blue paint and apply it evenly across all exterior walls. The transformation is remarkable as our house takes on its final character. The roof area receives a complementary gray tone. Corrugated roofing panels are cut to size and attached to create a realistic, pitched roof. Pink trim pieces are added along the roofline and edges, adding charming architectural detail to our miniature masterpiece. Finally, we install the finishing touches, delicate window frames with grid patterns, a charming balcony railing, and a front door complete with tiny hinges and a handle. And there it is, a beautiful, fully detailed miniature house ready to delight.